If you're still opening Postman every time you want to test an API endpoint, you're wasting time. Seriously, if you're a developer, DevOps engineer, backend engineer, or even just learning APIs, there's a tool already installed on your machine that can do 90% of what Postman does, in one line. It's called cURL. And once you learn it, you'll test endpoints faster, automate requests, debug production issues from SSH, and even script entire workflows, all without opening a single GUI. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use cURL from scratch, in a way that actually makes sense. So let's get started. This is the most basic cURL command. Just type cURL and the URL. By default, this sends a GET request and prints the response in your terminal. That's it. If you want a different HTTP method, like post, put, or delete, use -x followed by the method. That tells cURL exactly what type of request to send. To send data with your request, use -d. This sends form data in the body of the request. Most POST requests need this. Most modern APIs expect JSON, so you add a content type header using -h, then send your JSON using -d. This is the most common real-world API pattern. If your API requires authentication, add it as a header using -h. This example sends a bearer token for authorization. If something isn't working, add -v for verbose mode. This shows you the full request and response, including headers and status codes. If you only want the response headers, use -I. This is useful for checking status codes or redirects. If the URL redirects, use -l to follow the redirect automatically. Otherwise, cURL will stop at the first response. If your JSON is large, store it in a file and use the @ symbol before the file name. That tells cURL to read the request body from that file. And that was a no BS guide to cURL. If you like straight-to-the-point dev content like this, hit subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment on what I should break down next. See you in the next one.